Hi, you guys. My name's Koa, and today I will be discussing with you how a forensic investigator communicates to the courtroom when presenting evidence. You're walking into a courtroom holding a piece of evidence that can determine the outcome of a case. And your job is to present it so clearly that everyone in the room, judges, jurors, lawyers, understand the importance of it. In this informational video, I'm going to break down to you how communication plays a critical role in a forensic investigator's work. First, I will cover how they collaborate with law enforcement, district attorneys, and private attorneys. Then, I will go over how they make sure that their findings are understood when they are called to testify and present evidence in court. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start with the investigative phase. Forensic investigators don't just analyze evidence, they're part of a team. So they work to build a good rapport with their clients to build strong cases. Ann D. Kendrick, a forensic investigator, emphasizes that active listening is key. By hearing out officers' observations, clarifying questions from attorneys, and setting clear expectations for evidence collection, investigators ensure that everyone is on the same page so that no detail is overlooked. In an investigator's role is not about talking, it's about building a connection. The textbook Stand Up, Speak Out describes active listening as focused attention to understand. So on the job, you're using eye contact, small affirmations, and keeping communication clear and direct. These small but powerful skills help investigations run smoothly. Now, moving on to the courtroom where communication takes on a whole new challenge. When called to testify, forensic investigators must simplify complex findings for judges and jurors. Ann Kendrick explains that avoiding technical jargon is essential. So, for example, instead of saying ballistics, say firearm instead, or give a thorough explanation of what that term means. So, making sure that your explanations are clear, it keeps your audience engaged and builds trust in your expertise. Also, it's very important for you to know that it's not about what you say, it's about how you show it. Stand Up, Speak Out emphasizes the importance of having visuals like charts, diagrams, even timelines, and most important, in court, hard physical evidence. An example of physical evidence can be as simple as a labeled photo showing a fingerprint comparison. This evidence would also make this staple piece memorable for the jurors. So having these types of tools bridge the gap of technical understanding when you're elaborating things in court to the jurors. Defense attorneys might try to challenge your findings, but it's important in this moment for you to stay calm and factual. For instance, you may be asked, could this DNA belong to somebody else? But it's up to you to remain calm and respond, well, that's very highly unlikely due to the sample size and location, and leave it at that. Clear and direct answers remain your credibility. So, to wrap everything up, from collaborating during investigations to testifying in court, communication is really at the heart of a forensic investigator's work. Active listening shows strong teamwork, and clear language combined with visuals makes complex evidence more understandable. At the end of the day, justice depends on how well evidence is presented. Every detail is vital to the truth, and forensic investigators make sure that nothing goes unsaid. Thank you guys for listening.